Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable cellular data on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Cellular, then tap on Cellular Data Switch at the top to turn it off or turn it on. Now, once you turn on cellular data, you can also personal hotspot to other devices. Now, another way to turn on or turn off cellular data is to use the shortcut from the control center. So if you swipe down at the top on the right hand side, in here you can tap on this cellular data icon. So tap that to turn it on or off. Now, if you touch and hold on that, it will expand out that box right there, and here you can see what else you can do. So if you turn it on, you can also turn on or turn off personal hotspot down here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.